Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to use Apple Invites app. Today we are looking at Apple's new app called Apple Invites. It is designed to help you create and manage event invitations easily. So let's go over how it works and what you need to know. Apple Invites is available on the App Store, and once you download it, you will see all your upcoming past and hosted events in one place. The main screen is simple. There is a plus button for creating a new event and a profile icon where you can access settings, and everything here is organized so you can quick find your events without any confusion or without any problems. To create an event, tap create event on the top right side and start customizing it. However, there is one important requirement. You need an iCloud Plus subscription to actually send out events, since iCloud Plus is a paid service. This means the invitation feature is not free. If you do not have a subscription, you can still design an event, but you will not be able to send it out to others. When customizing your invitation, you can choose a background, set the event name, date, time, and location, and add additional details to make it more personal. The host name is included, so guests know who is organizing the event. Once everything is set, there is a preview button that lets you see exactly how your invite will look like. And before sending it out, Apple Invites also includes some interactive features for attendees. There is a shared album where guests can upload and view event photos in one place. This makes it easy to collect memories from the event without having to send pictures individually. Additionally, the shared playlist feature allows guests to contribute sounds for the event. It can be a mix of everyone's favorites. Overall, Apple Invites makes event planning more seamless, but keep in mind that sending invites requires iCloud Plus, and if you are already using Apple's ecosystem, it is a convenient way to manage everything in one place. And that's all for today's video. Please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.